Hello friends, today we will discuss about how can we able to create the plate in StatPro Connect edition. This is my created structure in the StatPro. In this structure we will provide the particular plate element and also provide the particular properties. These are all the properties, that is beam and column. I have already applied on the particular beam and columns. For the plate we have a add quad plate tools. Just select the add quad plate and select all the, there are 4 nodes in the particular cyclic direction. This is first, second, third and fourth. First, second, third and fourth. We can create all the plates by selecting the 4 nodes in the cyclic order. After creating the plates in the particular one floor, we can simply select all the columns and simply review in the 3D. This is the 3D appearance of the particular created plate. We can simply copy and paste. These are all the plate by selecting the plate tools. Just select all the plates, copy and click on paste. Provide the location, that is y is equal to 4 meter. Just click on OK. And again we can paste at y is equal to 8 meter. Just again y is equal to 8 meter. Just click on OK. Then we can simply review in the 3D. This is my 3D view of the particular created plate element. Now we can assign the property to the plate element by just clicking on the thickness. We have to just provide the thickness, that is 0.12 meter. Click on add. Just click OK. Select the plate cursor and assign. Select all the plates and click on assign. After clicking on assign, all the plate thickness has been provided in the StatPro Connect edition. So these are all about how can we able to provide the plate in the StatPro.